I have what's called multi-textured hair, which means that some of it is straight, some of it is frizzy. As you can tell, I have a lot of it. So getting my hair to be all consistently smooth and sleek is sometimes a lot of work. Wavytalk has sent me their thermal brush, and no, this is not their blow dryer brush. I actually have their 5-in-1 blow dryer brush, and I absolutely love it, and I highly recommend that too. I've got another video on that for another time. This is the thermal brush. So this is a blowout brush. What's really great about this brush is it has this ceramic barrel, which is going to smooth and give you that sleek style and make your hair really shiny. The other thing I love about this brush is that it will also curl your hair. It has a panel right here and 2 buttons, so you can turn it on. It is heating up, and you can change the temperature on this right there with this button. So if you want to use a lower heat setting so that you don't damage your hair for the front ends where they're thinner, then this is perfect for that. And if you want to go up on your heat setting to get the back ends where it's thicker and you need more heat for that, then you can do that too. You can definitely feel the heat coming off this barrel. So it has this piece on the top for you to hold, because you're going to be rolling this through your hair and you don't want to burn yourself because this is like a hot iron. You can give yourself an excellent blowout with this brush. So if you get it all the way up to your roots, and I'll show you this in a second, you get it all the way up to your roots and hold it there for a few seconds, it will give you a good lift on your roots. Then you can roll it through your hair. It's super smooth. It does not yank my hair. It does not get tangled or stuck in my hair. It glides through very easily. And then you can concentrate on the ends, and I like to kind of just roll it a few times through the ends to give that a good curl. All right, let's try this thing out. All this hair has to be separated. I cannot do it all at one time. I usually go ahead and pull half of it up while my brush is heating up at my roots. And like I said, just kind of roll it into your roots for a second, hold it there, and then just roll it through your hair. Glides so easy. I'm not getting any kind of tangles or anything. And then, look at that, curled ends. Now, I do have a lot of hair to get through, so I'm going to go ahead and cut some of this out and keep going. Okay, I've already completed this one side, and you can definitely see that this side is a lot smoother. The ends are curled under, and then this side is the side I have not done yet. It's still very frizzy. So I'm going to get to this side now. Okay, completed both sides of my under layers, and that is where it is the thickest of frizz. So it has definitely smoothed everything out and given me a little bit of curl here at the bottom. All right, and so this is the final result. Everything is sleek, smooth, but I still have a nice, good bounce to my hair. It's nice and full. I look like I have gotten a little bit of a blowout done, and I was able to do this all in the convenience of my own bathroom with this one single tool. I love this Wavytalk thermal brush, and I know you're gonna love it too. This tool is perfect for giving you that salon blowout with the sleekness style and the bouncy curl that you want on your ends. Highly recommend it. If you like this look and you want to try this brush for yourself, I'm going to put the link for this brush down in the description below.